Hi, this is Rodney Arand, and I'm with the Idea team. When faced with providing accessible content, it's a great idea to break down the types of content into different categories and tackle the process systematically. Here is a solid approach. Let's start with PDFs. Now, it's best to find the original source of the material to ensure the best chance of accessibility. In some cases, the original source may already be in an accessible form. If you cannot find the original source, don't fret. There's a way to get a handle on this without causing too much undue stress. So you want to do this instead. The first thing you want to do is open all of your documents or PDFs using whatever tool your system allows. That could be Adobe Acrobat, Preview in Mac, or the Windows 10 built-in PDF reader. You'll want to try and select a word or a string of words and see if they are individually highlighted. And if they are, your document is potentially accessible. Now, if you try to select a word or a string of words and the entire page is highlighted blue, then the document cannot be read by a screen reader and it's inaccessible. If it's not accessible, what you can do is run the document through an accessibility tool called docdrop.org/OCR. This will attempt to convert the scanned PDF into a readable format. And if that doesn't work, seek remediation of the document from ESDS or follow one of the guides provided at the end of this video. Now, if you're dealing with video and presentations, what you want to do is open all of your videos and presentations and look for closed captioning buttons located on the player. YouTube provides one, as does VoiceThread. Now, those videos that aren't, we suggest you reach out to the author and try to locate an accessible version instead. If you can't locate an accessible version, you can launch the video in a Zoom session and record to the cloud. Once you record a session to the cloud, Zoom will automatically transcribe it for you, and from here you can download the transcription and share that out to others. If you have a presentation or lecture, the most accessible tool is going to be VoiceThread. Here you can import slides and audio, and the automatic closed captioning tool will convert this to readable text. Now, here are some other important tips. Regardless of what tool you deliver your content in, it's important to design and write for a universal and accessible audience. This goes for announcements and content in Blackboard, as well as any supplemental activities. Things to pay attention to: colors of text and backgrounds. Are they visible to learners who are colorblind? Having headings and structure, helpful for people with learning disabilities to understand the content and its structure. Alternative text on images. This is generally a great idea for all learners because it gives context to the image's purpose and the reason for being there. Thanks for watching. For more information, please contact the Idea team.